Hi everyone, welcome back to Practical Organic Living. It's been almost a year since our chickens started laying eggs. We've been wanting to compare the eggs that we get from the farmer's market versus the ones that we get from our own backyard. So in today's episode, we will compare the size of the eggs and also do a blind tasting of the eggs and see which one tastes better. So let's check the nesting box and see if our chickens laid any eggs today. So we got 2 eggs today. We're very thankful for that. So let's grab them and then we will go inside and compare with the eggs that we get from farmer's market. So I have here the 2 eggs from our backyard, and this one is from farmer's market. So if you look at the size, you can see the one from farmer's market is a lot bigger than the one from our backyard. So we will wash these in a little bit, but first I want to weigh them to determine the size of the egg. So according to the USDA, the classification of the egg size is based on the net weight per dozen eggs. So we will measure each egg and then times it by 12, and we'll figure out what size it is. So this is the farmer's market egg. So the egg weighs 2.75 ounce. And then our backyard egg is 1.9 ounce. For the farmer's market egg, per dozen egg, it comes out to be 29.4 ounce. So that's like considered extra large eggs. It's almost a jumbo size egg. A jumbo size egg is a minimum of 30 ounce per dozen. And then for our egg, it was 1.9 times 12. So that's 22.8 ounce. So that's considered a medium size egg. I'm gonna wash these. And then next we are going to fry them up, and then we'll do a blind tasting. So I'm gonna try my best to cook both eggs about the same doneness, because that way when I do the blind tasting, I wouldn't be able to tell the difference. And I'm gonna cook both eggs in the same pan. So you see, the farmer's market egg has a lot more egg white. So now I'm gonna put in our own egg. So almost immediately you can tell the difference. Our backyard egg has less egg white, but the egg yolk is pretty much the same size as the farmer's market egg. But the farmer's market egg is more orange and ours is more yellow. So I'm gonna put on my blindfold, and then Gordon will give me the plate with the eggs. Now we're trying to find out if our backyard eggs stack up against farmer's market egg. Is it gonna taste about the same, or better, or worse? So let's find out.
Okay. This is the first one.
That one's not bad. Can you give me the second one? So this is the second one. This one was really good too. Yeah, I like them both a lot. So apparently the first one I tasted was from our own backyard, and then the second one was the farmer's market egg. Like I said, they're both really good. It's hard to tell the difference for sure. So I guess comparing the taste, it was a tie between our own egg and farmer's market's egg. So even though our egg was smaller and our yolk is not as orange as the farmer's market's egg, based on the taste, we're happy that ours tastes like really good quality eggs. So thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed our video comparing the eggs. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave a comment below, and we'll see you in our next episode. Thank you for watching. Bye.